Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is betray, a C1 level verb meaning to be disloyal or reveal a secret. To betray someone is a serious act. It signifies a breach of trust, a violation of confidence, or a deliberate act of disloyalty. Think of it as breaking a promise in a way that causes harm or disappointment to another person. In everyday language, we use betray when talking about relationships, politics, or even personal secrets. For instance, a friend might betray your trust by telling someone a secret you confided in them, or a politician might betray their voters by going back on their promises. Let's delve into some synonyms for betray. A close synonym is deceive. To deceive someone means to mislead them or trick them into believing something that isn't true. For example, he deceived his business partners by hiding the company's financial troubles. Another synonym is double-cross, which implies a more deliberate and malicious act of betrayal. We might say, the spy double-crossed his country and sold secrets to the enemy. Then we have forsake, which means to abandon or give up on someone or something. She forsaked her principles for the sake of power. Another synonym is deceive, to cause someone to believe an untruth. He deceived her into thinking he was single. Let's look at some antonyms. One key antonym of betray is support. To support someone is to stand by them, offer assistance, and be loyal. For example, she supported her friend through a difficult time. Another antonym is uphold, which means to maintain or defend a principle or agreement. He upheld his oath of office and acted with integrity. We also have defend, which means to protect someone from harm or criticism. The lawyer defended his client vigorously in court. Then there is safeguard, to protect from harm or damage. The government must safeguard the interests of its citizens. Let's talk about how we can use betray in everyday life. Imagine you're watching a movie where a character reveals a hidden truth about another character's past. You might say, he betrayed her secret and ruined her reputation. Or, if you're discussing a political scandal, you could say, the politician betrayed the public's trust by accepting bribes. If a company breaks a promise to its customers, they betray the trust of their clients. Now, let's look at some usage examples in sentences and phrases. He felt betrayed when his best friend started dating his ex. The leaked document betrayed the company's unethical practices. Don't betray my confidence by telling anyone what I'm about to tell you. The look on her face betrayed her disappointment. He felt utterly betrayed by their deception. The government betrayed its promise to reduce taxes. The data betrayed the lies in the original research. The broken vase betrayed the location of the hidden room. She felt betrayed when her work wasn't recognized. In conclusion, betray is a powerful word that describes a breach of trust and a violation of loyalty. We explored its meaning, its synonyms like deceive, double-cross, forsake and deceive, and antonyms such as support, uphold, defend, and safeguard. We also saw how it is used in everyday situations and in various sentence structures. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word betray helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new vocabulary. And now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word betray and share it as a comment below the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and keep saying hello to new words. Bye for now.